Evening. My name is Richmond. I am from Chroma, a level 400 student of computer engineering. So today we are coming to learn how this code is going to help us to demonstrate how maps and sets works using Java. So here we have member Java. So the member Java, what it does is that it defines a member. So you can see we have private final, string name, private final, string phone. So this is the constructor. The constructor initializes the object when we write new member. So when we create this code run when we create a new member. Also, we have here get name. So what the get name does is that it allows other classes to read the name while keeping the variable private. That's what the get name does. And we have toString. So the toString, what it does is that the toString controls how a member looks when printed. And the equals to and the hash code, what it does is that the equal and the hash code is going to, these are two methods, which these two methods decide when two member objects are considered the same. So two members are the same only if name and phone match. And also this is very important for hash set to detect duplicates. So the hash code is going to help us detect duplicates, to keep a list of members who are present without duplicates. So that's what the attendee register is going to do. It's just going to help us so that to avoid duplicates in the code. Okay, so if you see private final set member less than or equal to present member equal to new hash set. This one, so this code, what is that? Is that this code is set no duplicate. It's going to avoid duplicates. And the marking public void mark present bracket member m bracket close is marking a member as present. So if the member is new, it returns true, and if already present, it returns false. That's what this code is actually going to do. So the add bracket method is used to return true if the item was new and added successfully, and return false if the item was already in the set. So basically that's what the public void mark present is going to do. So we have show attendee. So the public void show attendee, this is basically going to display everyone who is present. So this code is going to help us print everyone present, automatically uses member toString. Offering record, we have import java dot util dot hash map, import java dot util dot map. So what this is going to do is that it's going to keep track of how much money each member has given. That's what the offering record is going to do. So any amount that a member contributes, this is going to help us keep track of it. So we have public class offering record. So what this code is going to do is that it's going to ensure that the map is not accidentally replaced. So it's going to keep the key which is member name, and also the total amount given by the member. So we have public void record offering string member name double amount. So this code is going to add new member if not in the map, and add to the existing total if it already exists, if already present. So this code is going to, this single line replaces the entire if else logic, and it checks if member name exists. If no, it puts amount as the value. If yes, it takes the value and amounts, adds them, and updates the map. Okay, so we have the public double get total for bracket string member And also what this is going to do is that it's going to return the total offering. If member not found, the value is going to return is 0.0. Public void show all. So the public void show all basically is going to print all members and their total offerings. All members and their total offerings. So let's go. So right now we are done with the main Java, the offering Java, the attendance Java, and also from the member Java. So the member Java, what we said is that basically what the member Java is going to do is that it's going to, this is very important for Hashlet to detect duplicates. So the member Java is going to help us detect duplicates, and the offering record too is going to help us keep record of the total amount of offering that is being generated by the people, by the members. And we have the main Java. So what the main Java runs is that the main Java is going to run and test the program. This is where everything comes together. This is where everything is going to happen. So we have the attendance dot mark present M1, attendance dot mark present M2, attendance dot mark present M1. So this is the critical test. We try to add it again. So if you see the attendance mark present M1, attendance mark present M2, attendance mark present M1, what this is going to do is that the third call tries to add the same person again. Hashlet equals, the hashlet equals stops duplication. Yes. So the hashlet is going to stop duplications, and we have the offering the attendance dot show attendance. So the attendance dot show attendance. Now let's come to the main Java. So the main Java is the entry point of the program. It is used to test and demonstrate how the other classes work together. So everything happens in the main Java here. So we have the public class main, public static void main. So member M1 equal to new member name Dennis. We have Dennis, the name, we have the phone number, we have member 2, which is Teresa, the phone number. So what it does is that, so the test, so for the test attendance, this marks 2 members are present. So this is going to mark that 2 members are present. That's basically what it's going to do, and tries to mark 1 member twice. So this shows that the duplicates are not allowed because of the hash set and equal brackets in member. And we are, after that, this is where the display is going to, after that it will print only unique members who are present. So this is where it will print only unique members who are present, and also test offering records. So record offerings for different members, add multiple offerings for the same member, and display offering results. This, so in short, in the main Java coordinates the program by creating objects, calling methods, and proving that attendance tracking and offering recording work correctly without duplication. So this is basically what the main Java is going to do. So we have the attendance test. The attendance test is going to call, the third course tries to add the same person again. Hashlet class equals stops duplication, and we have the offering test. So what the offering test does is that the offering test is where you see the total amount Dennis has given and the total amount Teresa has given. Yes, so thank you. So let's run the code and see how it's going to work. So after running the code, when the attendance register marks Dennis present, marks Teresa present. So Dennis is already marked present. So the attendance list, this is the attendance list. We have Teresa, we have Dennis with their phone number. So offering record. So recorded 50.0 for Dennis, and recorded the record the system recorded 100.0 for Teresa, and are not in the same way. So Dennis, the system recorded Dennis for another 20.0. So offering record in total. So the total offering for Dennis given by Dennis is 70.0, and for Teresa is 100.0. So total. So this process finished with. So this is how the code works. So thank you.